In this section, we're going to review just a couple other chart types, but I will point out that almost every useful chart that you would want can be derived from these charts. So if we wanted to, for example, let's just copy this down below and then paste it. So if we want a regular stacked or a regular column chart, we can delete the bottom line there. We can move this up here, and we can delete the net income line. We could also copy this, paste it down here, and we could remove the columns, the stacked columns, and we could simply have a line chart. And I'm just going to move this legend here. And we might even want to have just the revenue and the net income, for example, on one. So what I'm going to do is delete this part and move this up here. So we've really got quite a versatile mix to work with here based on this chart alone being combined. And one last thing we might want to add, although it's not used nearly as commonly, is a pie chart. So with a pie chart, we can actually do what we had in the waterfall chart, displayed in a pie chart. So let's go insert. Let's select here a 2D pie chart. And I'm just going to resize it a bit here. Let's go select data. I'm going to add the series name. In this case, it's going to be 2016E. And I'm going to add here together all of the costs. And then I'm going to select the cost names. And then what you'll see here is we got a breakdown of costs. I'm going to put 2016 operating costs. So now we've got a nice little breakdown of our total costs, what percent are COGS, SG&A, depreciation, interest, and taxes. So I can actually add data labels to this. And I can change those if I want those to be percentages. And now we've got a very nice overview of this business with many different types of charts, most of them stemming from this stacked column and combined line chart. But just to quickly review here, we've got an income statement summary, a waterfall of the 2016 income statement, which decreases revenue all the way down to net income. Then we've got revenue on its own, so I'm going to call this revenue summary. Here we've got a net income summary in the form of a line chart. Here I'm going to leave this as income statement summary because we've got revenue and net income. And then here we've got a summary of 2016 operating costs in a pie chart expressed as percentages. And the only last thing that I'm going to do, as I always do, is select these rows here and group them. So we're going to press Alt A Z O G G, and now I can nicely minimize everything up here and just open up the charts and graphs section and see all these nice charts that we've created here, and just tuck them away like that.